T-Mobile down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with T-Mobile right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with T-Mobile right now. Users experience problems with calls, so you're not able to get any calls or to receive any calls. You should try to fix this problem. If you go to their site, you will see here. Before you dive too deep into troubleshooting, make sure of following the next. Your line is active, you're in covered area. And then if you still have problems, you can restart your device and check for signal bars. Change the Wi-Fi calling preferences to cellular preferred or cellular only. Turn on the Wi-Fi, set the device network mode to auto. You can remove any cases from the device and so on. You can follow these steps right here. But if you still have problems with T-Mobile right now, you have to know that you are not the only one, and they will probably fix this as soon as possible. So if you do have problems with T-Mobile right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.